How to enable or disable touch keyboard typing sounds in Windows 11. By default, you'll hear a click each time you tap a key on the Windows 11 touch keyboard. This is a handy feature for those who like audio feedback while typing, but in shared or managed IT environments, that sound can be distracting, which is why administrators may choose to disable it. In this video, we'll show you 3 ways to enable or disable the touch keyboard sound in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites for turning off the keyboard touch sound. Before you start, make sure these conditions are met. Device requirement. This setting only works on touchscreen devices where the touch keyboard is available and functional. User access. Any user can use the GUI method. Administrator rights are not required. Registry access. Changing the registry requires admin access, so proceed carefully. Scope. The setting applies to each user individually. If you need it for multiple users, use a policy or script to automate it. Method 1. Using settings. This method is ideal for one-off changes made by end users or IT support staff using the Settings app. Press Win+I to open Settings. You can also right-click the Start button and choose Settings. In the left menu, select Time and Language, then click Typing on the right. Scroll down to Touch Keyboard and expand it. Find Play Key Sounds as I Type and toggle it on to enable typing sounds, off to disable them. Method 2. Using Registry Editor. Before trying this method, it's strongly recommended that you back up your Windows registry. Incorrect edits can cause system issues. Press Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Approve any UAC prompt. Navigate to H key, Current User, Software, Microsoft, Tablet Tip 1.7. In the right pane, create or edit a DWORD 32-bit value named Enable Key Audio Feedback. Set the value to 1 equals Enable Typing Sound, 0 equals Disable Typing Sound. Apply changes by signing out and back in, or restart Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager by clicking Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Find Windows Explorer, right-click it, and choose Restart. If Enable Key Audio Feedback isn't there, create it manually. Right-click an empty area, choose New, DWORD 32-bit value, and name it exactly Enable Key Audio Feedback. Method 3. Using PowerShell. This method is recommended for IT administrators who want to automate the configuration. Open PowerShell and run these commands as needed. To enable typing sound, to disable typing sound. Since this change is user-specific, ensure the script runs under the target user account. Managing the touch keyboard sound in Windows 11 allows IT teams and MSPs to tailor the user experience for specific environments or accessibility needs. While the sound can be helpful for individual users, it might be distracting in shared or managed setups. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable touch keyboard typing sounds linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.